Alright, yo.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
You better bitch like me in your life. Song's pretty good.
That's you? That water bottle?
Yeah.
I want to make sure you have one.
You were born 2004?
3. I'm old, man.
Damn, look.
OG a little bit.
OG. I'm 04. I feel like 05 is just where, like, after that, it's just all downhill. We really, like, were in the crevices. Is that the word?
Crevices?
The crevices are just
Precipice?
The precipice, yeah. Like, we were so close. It's just like, we were on the edge. Also, Kenya's right next to, look up, Africa. But we're right next to Ethiopia.
You couldn't just say that? I knew that.
I didn't know that though. I didn't know, like, I was trying to remember what it's called. That's the thing.
Oh.
Yeah, but we could have been Ethiopian.
Yeah.
I don't want to be Ethiopian.
Kenya is...
They have a high population of Ethiopians.
If I had to, like, rank on, like, highly known places in Kenya,
Mm-hmm.
even though most people don't know countries in Kenya. I mean, in Africa.
Yeah.
Kenya is like, up there in places people don't know.
Yeah, for sure. Kenya, Nigeria, and South Africa. Those two are usually what pops up in people's heads.
I didn't know Somalia was Africa.
Was in Africa?
Yeah.
They look like us.
Hello.
All I'm gonna say is I'm so glad I'm Kenyan, bro, because I feel like Kenyan, Nigerian, they're probably like best looking bunch of Africans.
Nah,
best looking.
I'd say there's some good ones everywhere, you know?
Yeah, I think so too, but I think like if you were to rank them.
I know I'm fine. That's awesome. Why is this game still loading? Oh, you're supposed to click play?
Even I knew that. Someone hasn't recently played a story game.
Mortal Kombat 1?
That one was actually hecka fun.
You played it?
Yeah.
Because...
Not the story, but I played just like the 1v1s. Do you have it?
Not on the hard drive's connected right now.
Is this new?
No.
What does that mean?
Cigar's tattoo on his head.
Dude, tell me why I saw somebody the other day with red and everything, just like plaster on his head.
Cigar tattoo?
Yeah.
Damn.
And he had like a blonde hair and blonde like a beard. What does that tattoo mean again?
His master. Well, not his master, but like the only person that like low-key accepted him, which was the Chinchuriki before him, had these two like separate tattoos, and they were on his palms. So like when he did this, because he prayed all the time, like combined basically. I like
misunderstood person who's constantly looking for love. Oh.
You're so basic, bro. You're not gonna Google what the kanji means itself.
No, I didn't want to go that deep into it.
Exactly.
I just want to
That's why I have the tattoo.
That's why I don't. Playing Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart.
Today, hold on. Today, we're alright.
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to say?
I don't remember putting on deodorant. What did I say?
Yo,
It's crazy.
get to it.
I don't remember. What does Clank look like again? I forgot.
He's a little robot, the little
I
tiny
thought
robot.
that was Clank for a second.
Oh my
I was like,
God.
nah, that's not Clank.
Nah,
That's a whole female.
yeah, that's alternative Ratchet. That fits his name more than
Alternative Ratchet.
that fits his. That name fits her more than it does him.
Ratchet.
The real question is, what animal is he?
Honestly, yeah. But alright. Welcome back to another video. Actually, forget the intro. That's a whole lot of blah blah blah. If I was watching, I'd just click the 10 seconds thing.
Let's get to it.
Playing Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. When did this game come out?
2020? 2020?
Not sure. It's pretty recent.
So,
Store page.
2021?
Because they haven't made hella games, have they? This year?
No, this is the newest one.
It should say right here. 2023.
Oh, okay, so last year.
I wonder if they made any games since the one we played.
Any Ratchet and Clank games or? Yeah, no, this is the.
Since we played? Since the one
Oh
we
yeah,
played?
they definitely did. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. I thought you meant this one.
So-
The one we played was the 4-player. That was oh, that's the PS3. Like that was like the midlife. The PS3. I was play the start. Blue ball to me.
But yeah, that Ratchet and Clank, I just have a lot of memories from that game.
It was fun because it was 4 players. It was annoying though. We sucked.
I didn't suck. I don't remember ever sucking at a video game. What are you talking about?
Because it was 4 players, so you needed everybody to be in like the same skill level. And if somebody was like not as good, they was like slow down.
By 4 player, do you mean like like they released the game intended to be played by 4 people.
It could be played by 1 or 4 people.
Okay,
Yeah.
then that doesn't make it a 4-player game.
Yeah,
That
but when
means we just didn't finish it.
Yeah, we didn't finish it.
I mean, I don't remember that.
I was mad that we didn't finish it.
I don't remember if we finished it. I don't remember if we finished it or not, but
because I remember that we didn't, and I was salty about it because I really wanted to. We only had like 1 day though, like because I remember it was me, you, some 2 other people. I don't remember specifically which other of our friends, but we came close to finishing it. I know that.
But I would never blame not finishing a multiplayer game on
Other people.
not having enough people, because I play most games alone.
All right, why you
I don't
pick one? They're all empty.
How do you know, like, what if I like do all this and then it just starts? What about you?
Just click it. We'll see.
Select difficulty. Rookie,
let's do
Explorer.
Rebel Agent, like in the middle. I don't like
A balanced choice for more experienced players.
Yeah.
We're experienced.
We played it before.
Nah, I never like when a game is too easy. So yeah.
Me too.
Start game.
What's going on here?
You want it on this screen or this screen?
On this screen.
That's not annoying.
Look, he's annoying.
Yes.
No, it's fine on this screen. I'm just saying the fact that there's like 2 of them running at the same time. Now there's like a black spot in my house.
What do you want? Lo-fi?
Leave it alone. Lo-fi. It is.
I need to get like an adapter so I can choose like the headphones.
Oh yeah.
Is how it is. Be with our audio.
Your suit seems to be nicely blending right in.
I should have watched like some lore video.
Yeah.
You think that's what Ratchet did? The original Clank? Yoink. You're mine now.
I'm pretty sure, from what I remember, they just ran into each other. I don't remember how the story was, but it was like an accident. Like how like.
Can you like pause this or?
Yeah, or skip it.
Nah, you gotta.
I know because it's the gameplay, but if it was me, I'm skipping this. Let's get straight to the action.
Whenever I'm playing a story game, I never skip any of it. I feel like all of it's important.
Okay.
But if I'm playing like,
I don't skip
2K
it if I'm
or-
like if I'm into it. You know what I'm saying?
if I'm playing like 2K or Madden, then it's like, I've seen this 100 times. You should have like slow mode it and let it click a button.
Yeah. Wait.
Hey, it's okay. See? Just me.
Who are you?
Also, they do.
Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it's thank you.
Shit, you're talking too much. You said thank you to make her shut up. You ever cut off somebody like that? And it's like,
Yeah, on accident, yeah. It's just like sometimes people talk too slow. And get to the point.
whenever I know I need to get to the point, I start stuttering.
You feel under pressure?
Yeah.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Lucky they are washed up.
I should have changed the settings beforehand. It's probably on the highest settings.
Not need to perform any heroics, right?
Settings is in the frames. FPS.
Quality settings. Every game has quality settings on a PC.
Wait, that's a quality setting on PC.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unless you can
That's the person having a PC. Yeah, that's why when we played the 4-player one, that's the dude I always used to pick.
I do not remember that guy at all.
Bucky Deuce.
Basically a ripoff of Mega Chin.
You know the nigga shit. See that movie?
I've seen it, but I don't believe that that's how it was released. I feel like somebody edited that.
I
What do
guess
you
I'm
think?
controlling homie. Can you move?
You want to be him? Or
I want to be
Clank? Because we're only doing 2 play. What do you want to be?
What am I supposed to do? Wow.
But we didn't listen to them at all. They introduced them.
Yo, not gonna lie.
This is a pretty big turnout.
But what are you doing?
I don't know. Okay, there it is. It's like way longer than it should have.
Wait, hold on. Let me go check Steam. What if this game's not?
Yeah, it should be.
It's single player. I'm down to watch you play
Okay, we'll just take turns then.
it. Oh, why would they make a Ratchet and Clank game single player though? That's crazy.
Hold on. Why do they have Clank?
Exactly. They should have just released Ratchet.
Exactly. It's just Ratchet. Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart is a single player game with no plans for multiplayer.
That's so stupid. No even DLC. And I spent $36 on this game.
36.
I should have read that.
It's dumb. Pretty sure like all the other games are. I don't know where this is just the one that isn't.
Yeah. So you want to continue?
Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear. Must you tell the entire galaxy? Wait, a gift? Yeah. For what? You will see. It is anything at the front of the parade route. Well, we better get it then.
Bro, if we're gonna play a game, why not like a horror game?
I hate horror stuff.
Like why?
I'm a bitch.
Exactly. It's way more fun. Come on.
Nah.
Damn, get out your comfort zone.
And even if we decided on one, it wouldn't be today. I'd just buy it and download it.
What guy said?
Why is this game not 2-player? Oh my god.
Just nice.
Free like 10 hours, finally. Wait, get like 10 feet.
And now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade.
No, I would have been down to run a horror game actually.
How do you like horror?
I don't.
Why do you want to do that to yourself?
It's fun.
Don't you like your peace?
I like a little bit of adrenaline.
I'm on my J. Cole timing, bro. I like my peace.
Do you like roller coasters?
Yeah. But I used to not open my eyes on this on certain roller coasters. But I still don't open my eyes on scary roller coasters. The ones that have like haunted stuff around.
Yeah.
I don't open my eyes for those ones. I lied just like this.
Last time I was on a roller coaster, I passed out.
Yeah, you scared of roller coasters?
No.
I don't pass out often. You usually passing out?
It was my first time. Like my first time passing out on a roller coaster.
Do you pass out often?
No, that was my first time.
Passing out?
Yeah.
Then why'd you say from a roller coaster?
Man, I can't multitask. Look out. I'm struggling on this game.
But you're not doing anything.
Exactly. This is a bad idea.
Probably not gonna record an episode 2 though.
Oh my god.
They said something about destroying barricades, bro.
I'm telling you, like.
They're watching you like this dumb.
Exactly.
This guy.
Heroes is safe. Hey, I think I found the wombat. What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
Oh, it's Clank.
Yeah, but he's not coming out.
I do not believe this is part of the show.
I do not believe this is part of the show. Oh. I miss good like animations for fighting in video games.
Someone put a bounty on
This is giving me some satisfying vibes. Oh! How lucky of you.
This is not about your gifts.
Plot armor out the wazoo.
Activate the magna boots.
So much for
For smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the
Back
blogs are
behind
behind
this,
this, or the
or the
bright
bright
lights,
lights,
or
or
Dark
No way.
Isn't that the same name from the dude from
Oh god, I think
Sonic?
what name?
Dr. Nefarious?
I have no idea. Sounds familiar though.
Sounds generic.
That's what we grew up on.
What is happening?
Probably be helping you and stuff. I'm just watching.
Trying to pin me down. Organs incoming. I can't wait to have kids to play video games with them.
Facts. I'm gonna have a whole like all of this set up in every one of my kids' rooms. And be like, I'm gonna like walk into the room. You know how like dads walk into the rooms, check what you're up to.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be doing that and be like, hop on Minecraft. With my kids.
Your dad? Just put in like
Facts. How bad? That's a durable ass shit. It was like red everywhere and it was still like flying around shooting at you.
casually go
Wait, so
back to the presentation.
You bought Mortal Kombat?
No, it was at my friend's house.
I'm about to say it's not great priorities for a college student.
What?
I was about to say it's not great financial priorities for a college student.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. video games in a long time.
Considering that our resident seems to be under
I mean, it's not good financial for anybody, but especially for college.
I mean, if you have the funds, go ahead. You know what I'm saying?
My teammate.
I mean, priorities.
Also,
I have repaired the so you can
enjoy the quality video game.
No,
How do you just let that happen?
Bought it.
What the?
I bought and played Mortal Kombat 1 before, a little bit before I was doing this content. Bought it.
What do you want, Nefarious?
This basic ass villain. Bro, why was this? Okay, I feel like I'm not liking it a little bit because of it being a single player. Yeah. Although it's not that good.
I mean,
It's like basic, yeah. But if it was 2-player, I'd give it a little bit more leeway.
how stupid is he? Well, I thought he messes. I thought he like. Oh, he just took it away. I thought he was about to crash onto himself. Okay, why is he taking the balloon? Oh.
Taking the whole stadium.
Am I really about to die?
You suck. I don't even here, use this one. I don't even know the controls.
You have to hold A.
Hey, big bro. Oh, I'm doing this.
Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Okay, buddy.
Oh! Oh, this was in the trailer. I don't do no shooting. I box.
Let's square up. Yeah, hit that red button. Smash it.
Oh, fuck dope. I like the how the gameplay feels. Like when I hit him, I really feel like I'm hitting him.
I should have known that Nefarious would try something like this.
Clank is shiny. I feel like he wasn't as shiny in the when we played, was he?
It was so graphics.
Oh.
A bit more risky that.
Buy a weapon.
Look, A, brother.
Oh, this one. That's done. Give me like a sword or something. What's your favorite weapon in video games to use?
That's a good question. We already have that.
I don't want either of these.
Look at your weapon. I mean,
Swords are pretty elite.
maybe like superpowers, you know, like fire. Something of that nature.
You play DC Universe Online, right?
Yeah, dude, they blue balled me so hard.
Bro.
You remember the
That game had so much potential.
remember the trailer?
I think they've made a bunch of trailers over the years, but
No, but there's this one specific. I gotta show you after this.
Oh.
You'll understand what I'm trying to like say. But the trailer was like, oh my! It hyped up the game to the like way too much to where I thought like the graphics are gonna be like. I'll show you after this.
Nah, I probably know what you're talking about. Yeah, like I know exactly what you're talking about. It's just
You played?
it's also like it's, where are they coming from? Okay, the only reason I'm not like agreeing 100% like automatically is because I feel like it's not a specific trailer that they did that. I feel like they just did that all around the whole game. Like, the whole game was pretty much the game. And like all the commercials were like a lot more high quality. Like even across the years. I remember like I re-downloaded it off the new commercial. Oh, I think it's been lying to us from the jump. But I played it multiple times. Like from start to wherever. I never finished it though.
I don't even think you can like really shit.
That's crazy. Cause like after you get to a certain point, the game just like it's like you're just like playing GTA.
Exactly. And they're always updating it, so that was new mission.
Swear.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought they didn't
It's still
update it.
online to this day.
Oh yeah. I didn't think they updated it, so I just didn't play.
They
Oh, you
update-
use that one?
They don't update the graphics. That's what annoys me. The graphics and the gameplay. They should scrap it and make a new one with like improved graphics, gameplay.
There has to be another way of
That's sweaty hands. Is it just the grip? Is that why?
Because yours was sweaty.
Really?
I mean, I guess just hot hands. And my room's not that cold. Whoa! That was dope.
I just have to see him. And
I wonder how much nefarious is paying, guys. Not nearly enough.
yeah. Like at some point, if your friends die, maybe I'll
Whoa, you shit. You swung at civilians.
that's something down.
Yo!
You reap what you sow.
What game is it that like when you kill the person you're supposed to save, like you have to restart? Is that Call of Duty?
Yeah, that's Call of Duty. Oh dang, why did you turn me to? What is going on?
You gotta box him, bro.
Where's it coming from? The one
Above. Shoot into the hole. Oh,
Okay, what's going on?
that one is autistic. I feel like I can low key say that because people call me autistic. I'm not saying I'm autistic. I've never gone to hospital and got tested. People call me it. So.
He called you out.
Yeah, I get that pretty often. But I don't care to find out.
We've got to find a way up there. The taxis.
I mean, technically, we're all autistic, you know? It's a spectrum.
Yeah.
It's just that, like, there's a spectrum that the average person is in.
I think they're excuses, you know.
I know that finding the land masters has always been important to you.
But
I don't want to say that because I don't have it. Or I would say I'm in the normal spectrum.
I'm definitely not normal. But I'm not gonna use a label to justify that.
Like a sprint?
I was wondering how to do that this whole time.
Why are you just not adding that?
Hate when we didn't do that.
Okay. This is not good.
Damn! Where I get one of those swords? Damn! Maybe I just like more like kiddish games, but boxing on this is fire to me.
Boxing?
Fight it.
Plus weapons.
You give you an opportunity to buy one.
No, like which member?
So,
Yeah,
I don't know. No. I think it's all different
Kind of
buttons.
cold.
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Jeez, I'm at a 2 out of 10 health. Only 2 seconds into the game.
Bro, I don't be looking at my health when I play video games.
You beat up by some crap.
Like the first couple times, I'll just die. Cause like I wasn't paying attention.
Okay, you just had to speak.
So,
First couple down, I just got.
yeah, that's what I was saying. Like they wouldn't recommend you to buy a new weapon if you probably didn't need it.
That's why I don't like. I just wish a game just jumps you in and gives you like the controls.
Back.
I hate
Like-
when they baby me. Like it's
Back. This is a hella baby game. Like there's not one choice you made. You've just been doing what the game told you to do the whole time.
Those open world games are like.
Alright. Wanna play Elden Ring? Not right now, but
I'm gonna see if I was a new game. Yeah, we should try it
I can
out.
get it for content. Man.
It'll take forever though, cause like. Yeah, I'm down.
I like games like that. Oh, actually, no, God
The
of War. Let's
difficulty-
play God of War instead.
We'll find it together.
The story's not good,
No, the gameplay is not that fun for me.
but the story though.
The story's good. Gameplay gets a little repetitive. The second one's really good.
Assassin's Creed.
Look at my health.
Are there any open world Assassin's Creed?
There's the new one with the black samurai coming out.
Are there any open world ones?
Yeah. Most of them are open. Yeah, all of them are.
Like you don't have to kill certain people in a certain order.
Oh, no, not that.
Because in Elden Ring, you don't have to kill them in a certain order. I mean, the last one you gotta kill.
Okay, they just said.
Bro, I hate in video games when the enemy has a weapon like that like just sprays. Cause bro, that's such a cheat code.
Don't like these type of bosses.
And then
Ouch.
like in have you ever played Dragon Ball Z Kakarot? That's an open world Dragon Ball game.
Okay, what the?
Surprised you've never heard of it. Have you heard of it?
Or have? Is that the one that's like? I'm about to lose my first boss. I'm about to lock in. Watch this.
You're on 2, bro.
I watch. Okay, what's going on here?
No idea what you're doing.
Kind of strong.
Like the UI makes no sense.
Hey, Dan. What the? How do I?
You're telling me.
Okay.
You're
Hold on,
telling me.
I actually want to beat him now because I know I can.
You're telling me that this guy's been in this machine the whole time, and you've been on foot and you caught up to him.
He did crash.
Cause you must be like the most athletic Ratchet ever. Damn.
Okay, I get it. I get what I'm
They're telling you how to do it.
No,
They
you
said
first.
this is how you do it.
But why haven't I been holding it down?
Codes are so unpleasant.
Is that your ammo bar, the orange thing?
awakening.
Got him.
Not really. He has 65 health left.
I mean, like,
Oh dear, he is targeting us.
What's up with Clank dating the audience? Why doesn't he help? Because I literally have multiple guns. You can pick one up.
My ultimate plan come to fruition. It is perfect, flawless, and nothing will stop me.
How many times have you heard that?
That's what I gotta say.
It doesn't matter. Today will be the last time.
These videos like take off, like the content like we're doing. And you watch videos like this when you were younger, right?
Yeah.
These videos like you could possibly be like people for like some kids.
We got no ammo.
No ammo is the worst, especially in the boss battle.
Dude, I need ammo to kill him. Can't even kill him actually.
Oh, it's over.
Skip him now. It's over for him.
Ew.
You could just. Got him. I got him.
Weak ass sheet.
Got him.
Damn, that last one was a headshot too.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean,
Honestly, we could like probably finish after beating him.
We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
That's sad.
That he has to go to a dimension where he always
First off, who made this gun?
You don't like that gun?
No, the gun that's doing all these dimension stuff.
Oh.
Because remember he was about to get it gifted?
Oh.
Yeah.
how bad is it?
How come you were only using one gun like that fight? You bought a new one.
Well, it's certainly not good.
When did you get on a dragon?
Oh, I could control it too.
That would have been funny if it actually like crashed. Like,
Okay, now I'm fine.
We've been boarded. Get off me, ship, foul creature.
I messed up one of my fingers pretty badly. I punched the back of a chair like weeks ago.
Coming back behind you.
Pain having it's not a bad pain. Like,
Okay, Ratchet, get up. You're a robot. You don't even feel pain.
it's like joint pain. Get the
Did I do it? Oh, what is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
would you voice act a video game character?
Yeah, that'd be fun. I don't think I have like the voice. I don't have a voice actor's voice, you know? You about to die?
Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the dimension. What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Wait,
You were right.
I have to
It
find
was,
my
it
friend.
was actually the alternate Ratchet. We should end there.
Yeah.
That was a good story point ending.
Hold on, let's see what happens.
The next video.
You blue balling me and the audience. I actually wanted to see what happens.
That's the point. That's the point.
Do you know who the Rad Brad is?
Brad. Oh. Brad. Like, is he like A Rad Brad.
Nah, he does the story. He just plays video games. And he does that a lot. Where he'll like stop at a pivotal moment. Like, tune in next week for the next part.
Nah, facts. Unless we find another game.
This is
So it's what we got options? Elden Ring, Assassin's Creed.
we should do Elden Rings because there's the
DBZ
the new-
Kakarot.
nah.
I just downloaded all the DLCs. Haven't played them yet.
I've seen the game. I don't like that.
You get to
It
fight
looks.
Beers. That's where I'm at right now. You don't want to fight Beers.
Nah. I haven't liked the dragon. There's a new one.
That's
coming
actually
out.
like, if I would say, like
haven't
that's like at the top of the list of all-time games for me. DBZ Kakarot. Like it's probably better than GTA 5.
I want to get this one. Sparking Zero. Cause my issue isn't it like is it like 2D?
No,
It's 3D.
oh, it's open world. DBZ Kakarot.
Okay, yeah. Very specific with the type of game.
You literally play his story, like him
Yeah,
fighting Frieza.
that's
Meet-
basically all
meeting
Dragon Ball
Trunks.
games, man. That's basically all. That.